back to rolling legends, where horsepower meets elegance. Today, we're diving into something truly unexpected at the 2026 Range Rover Sedan. Yes, you heard that right, Range Rover, a brand synonymous with off-road royalty and SUV dominance, has officially stepped onto uncharted territory at the luxury sedan market. And they're not just dipping a toe in, they're going full throttle. The 2026 Range Rover Sedan is unlike anything we've seen before. It combines the regal DNA of a Range Rover with the silhouette of a Grand Tourer. The first thing that hits you, that unmistakable presence. It's long, and wide with sleek lines that flow like liquid metal. The iconic grille is reimagined, flanked by ultra-slim matrix LED headlights, and it rides on massive 23-inch turbine-style alloys. This isn't a rebadged Jaguar or a Land Rover with a trunk, it's an entirely new beast. Under the hood, Range Rover offers two powertrains. The base model features a turbocharged inline-six with mild hybrid tech, pushing out 435 horsepower. But if you want real performance, there's a twin-turbo V8 option A developed in collaboration with BMW, delivering 617 horsepower in a 0-60 time of just 3.8 seconds. That's supercar territory in a four-door luxury land yacht. And yes, it's all-wheel drive, with dynamic torque vectoring and an adaptive air suspension system that reads the road 500 times per second. Inside, the Range Rover Sedan redefines what we expect from British luxury. The cabin is wrapped in sustainable semi-annealing leather, real wood veneers, and ceramic switchgear. The seating, think first-class lounge, fully adjustable, massaging, and climate-controlled. The floating 15-inch Pivi Pro display controls everything, paired with a 12-inch digital cluster and a full-color head-up display. It even features the new iCopilot system that learns your routines and adjusts the environment automatically, from temperature to ambient lighting and even music preferences. Rear seat passengers are treated like royalty, with optional executive class seating that reclines almost flat, dual 13-inch displays, and even a refrigerated center console. And the sound system, a 34-speaker Meridian signature setup with active noise cancellation built into the headrest, so it's like riding in a private concert hall. Now, let's talk pricing. The 2026 Range Rover Sedan starts at around $112,000 and climbs to over $160,000 for the V8 autobiography model with all the bells and whistles. Limited launch editions are already sold out in Europe and the US, and collectors are buzzing. This isn't just a luxury car, it's a statement. So, is the Range Rover Sedan the future of executive luxury? It might just be. With Bentley, Mercedes, and BMW all watching closely, Range Rover has kicked down the door and said, "We're not just about SUVs anymore.